भारतर सुदर्शन चक्र आगे पाकिस्तान ड्रोन एवं मिसाइल पाकिस्तान आक्रमण को प्रतिहत करने भारत रूस निर्मित S-400 व्यवहार करथिला। या सहित स्वदेशी ज्ञान कौशल निर्मित सरफेस टू एयर मिसाइल आकाश सह अनेक एंटी ड्रोन सिस्टम व्यवहार करथिला। भारतीय सेना राडार कमांड और कंट्रोल सिस्टम सह इंटीग्रेटेड होइतिबा व्यवस्था जरिया तुरंत विपद को ठाब करी ताकू नष्ट मध्य करथिला भारत।
It has also been proven that the Pakistani is using the Chinese-based missile system. That is also has been proven in a number of places. The sum total of the whole thing is that Pakistan is on offensive, is trying to retaliate after our attack, and now it wants to carry out attacks. But it is using missiles. I'll tell you, the destructive capability of missiles is not that high, the types which they are using. If they use a bigger missile with a larger warhead, or not the nuclear warhead, I suppose, but larger warheads, it can do more destruction. Drones don't do more destruction. Drones are basically, they have to go in swarm, they stop your army, they stop your, they are irritants, they can put a halt to your advance for a little while, they can damage. In fact, they can slow down your process. But drones also have to be destroyed. And S-400 is a very effective air defense system. It has been proven it is very good. But we have to make sure air defense, that it has to be cost effective. If for a small drone, if you use one missile, I don't think so. It is going to be very cost effective. It'll be totally counterproductive. That, in fact, it will not produce results what we require. So we have to make sure that we have a system where we also can destroy these or stop these drones at a very cheaper price. But S-400 at the moment has proven itself. It is a very good system, and it can stop the low-flying aircraft, the low-level cruise missile carrying nape of earth flying, low-level flying aircraft, high-level, even ballistic missiles coming down. So it is a very capable system. Let us hope that we now don't have to use it more. And at the moment, our Air Force and total fighting forces are all on alert, and our air defense systems are functioning 7 sails in the wind.
तिनी सेनार साहस देखिला पूरा विश्व, तिनी सेनार पराक्रम देखिला पूरा विश्व एवं करारी जवाब मध्य देखिला पाकिस्तान। अरब सागर नौसेनार ऑपरेशन आरंभ, भारतर विभिन्न स्थान में पाकिस्तान मिसाइल और ड्रोन स्ट्राइक पर जवाबी कार्यानुष्ठान पाई ऑपरेशन आरंभ करिछि नौसेना। पाकिस्तान एकाधिक स्थान को टार्गेट करिथिबा सूचना मिलिछि।